Welcome to our video on 10 cities in Washington that handle extreme weather the best. In this guide, we'll explore how various cities across the state have developed innovative strategies and systems to endure the challenges posed by extreme weather. From Seattle's adept management of relentless rain to Spokane's proactive snow and ice control, each city has its unique approach to safeguarding residents and infrastructure. Join us as we dive into the remarkable resilience and preparedness of these Washington cities. 1. Seattle. The rain-ready metropolis. Seattle, often stereotyped for its rainy weather, has become a leader in rain management. The city has developed an extensive drainage system to handle heavy rainfall, which helps prevent flooding. Additionally, Seattle has invested in permeable pavements and green roofs, which absorb rainwater and reduce runoff. The city's robust public transportation system also plays a role in managing weather-related disruptions. When snow does fall, Seattle is quick to deploy salt and plow trucks to keep roads clear. These strategies make Seattle a model for handling wet weather efficiently. 2. Spokane. Snow and ice management. Spokane is no stranger to snow, with winters often bringing significant snowfall. The city has a well-coordinated snow removal plan in place. Spokane's fleet of snowplows and salt trucks are ready to spring into action at the first sign of snow. The city also encourages residents to clear sidewalks and driveways, fostering a community effort. Moreover, Spokane's infrastructure is designed to withstand harsh winter conditions, with roads and bridges built to handle ice and snow. This proactive approach ensures that life in Spokane continues smoothly, even in the coldest months. 3. Olympia. Flood Preparedness Initiative. Olympia, the state capital, is prone to flooding due to its proximity to water bodies. To combat this, the city has implemented a comprehensive flood management plan. This includes maintaining and upgrading levees, as well as creating floodplain zones to absorb excess water. Olympia also conducts regular flood drills to prepare its citizens for potential emergencies. The city's focus on sustainable urban planning, such as the use of rain gardens, further reduces flood risks. These efforts collectively make Olympia a benchmark for flood preparedness. 4. Yakima. Drought resilience. Yakima faces a different challenge: drought. Located in a dry region, water conservation is crucial for Yakima. The city has implemented strict water usage regulations and promotes xeriscaping, a landscaping method that reduces the need for irrigation. Yakima has also invested in advanced irrigation technologies to optimize water use in agriculture, a key sector for the area. Public awareness campaigns educate citizens on the importance of saving water, ensuring that everyone contributes to drought resilience. Through these measures, Yakima effectively manages its limited water resources. 5. Tacoma. Windstorm readiness. Tacoma, situated near the coast, occasionally faces severe windstorms. The city has invested in strengthening its power grid to minimize outages during storms. Utility companies regularly trim trees near power lines to reduce the risk of falling branches causing damage. Tacoma also has a robust emergency response system, with clear communication channels to keep residents informed during windstorms. The city's building codes require structures to withstand high winds, adding an extra layer of safety. These combined efforts ensure that Tacoma remains resilient in the face of strong winds. 6. Bellingham. Earthquake preparedness. Bellingham is located near seismic zones, making earthquake preparedness a priority. The city has retrofitted older buildings to meet modern seismic standards, reducing the risk of structural damage. Bellingham conducts regular earthquake drills in schools and workplaces to ensure that everyone knows what to do in the event of a quake. The city also provides resources and information to help residents create their own emergency kits. With these measures, Bellingham strives to minimize the impact of potential earthquakes on its community. 7. Richland. Heatwave management. Richland, in eastern Washington, often experiences high temperatures during summer. The city has developed a heatwave action plan to protect its residents. Cooling centers offer relief to those without air conditioning, and public alerts advise people on how to stay cool. Richland also encourages the planting of shade trees and the use of reflective roofing materials to lower temperatures in urban areas. These initiatives help mitigate the effects of heat waves, ensuring the safety and comfort of Richland's residents. 8. Everett. Storm surge protection. Everett, with its coastal location, is vulnerable to storm surges. The city has constructed seawalls and levees to protect low-lying areas from flooding. Everett also engages in regular maintenance of its stormwater systems to ensure they function efficiently during heavy rains. Public education campaigns inform residents about the risks of storm surges and how to stay safe. By taking these precautions, Everett effectively safeguards its community from the threat of rising waters. 9. Vancouver. Wildfire preparedness. Vancouver, near forested areas, faces the risk of wildfires. The city has implemented fire breaks and conducts controlled burns to reduce fuel for wildfires. Vancouver also collaborates with local fire departments to ensure rapid response to any fire incidents. Public education programs teach residents how to create defensible space around their homes, reducing the risk of fire spreading. These proactive measures make Vancouver a leader in wildfire preparedness. 10. Wenatchee. Landslide mitigation. Climate-related events like flooding and desertification pose a threat to historical landmarks and cultural sites. These sites are often integral to a destination's identity and appeal to tourists worldwide. As these landmarks become less accessible or suffer damage, their allure diminishes. For instance, a historic town susceptible to flooding may see fewer visitors, impacting both the preservation of the site and the local economy. Efforts to protect and restore these cultural treasures are essential to preserving both history and tourism. Climate change poses significant challenges to global tourism, altering destinations, activities, and travel behaviors. To ensure the industry's sustainability, stakeholders must adopt innovative solutions, prioritize ecotourism, and promote resilience in the face of a changing climate. By addressing these challenges, tourism can continue to thrive while minimizing its environmental impact.